Christina again. Today, I am going to talk about the Miele Triflex vacuums. What is the Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum? The Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum is Miele's first 3-in-1 stick vacuum, offering the flexibility to clean in upright, handheld, and reach modes. It combines the power of a full-size vacuum with the convenience of a cordless design. 2. What makes the Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum different from other cordless vacuums? Unlike most stick vacuums, the Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum features a modular design, allowing you to change the configuration to suit your cleaning needs. It also stands upright on its own and has a powerful vortex motor for deep cleaning performance. 3. How long does the battery last on the Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum? The Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum runs up to 60 minutes on a full charge in standard mode. Runtime may vary based on the suction level and floor type. Extra batteries are available at Miele dealer Acevacuums for extended cleaning sessions. 4. Is the Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum good for pet hair? Yes, the Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum effectively removes pet hair from carpets and upholstery. For even better results, consider the Triflex HX1 cat and dog model, which includes an electro-compact handheld brush, available at Miele dealer Acevacuums. 5. Does the Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum have HEPA filtration? Yes, the Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum includes a HEPA lifetime filter that captures 99.999% of fine dust and allergens, making it ideal for allergy and asthma sufferers. 6. Can I use the Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum on hardwood floors? Absolutely. The Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum is designed for all floor types, including hardwood, tile, laminate, and carpet. Its XXL electro brush adjusts automatically to floor conditions. 7. Is the dustbin on the Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum easy to empty? Yes, the Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum has a hygienic twist-to-empty dustbin that's simple to remove and clean. The bin has a 0.5-liter capacity. 8. Does the Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum stand on its own? Yes. In comfort mode, the Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum can stand upright without the need for wall mounting, one of its standout features. 9. What accessories are included with the Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum? It includes the XXL electro brush, crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery nozzle. A wall mount and charging cable are also included. Extra tools can be purchased at Miele dealer Acevacuums. 10. Where can I see a demo of the Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum? Live demos of the Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum are available at Miele dealer Acevacuums locations in Fairfax and Leesburg, Virginia. Our staff will help you test configurations and accessories. 11. How does the Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum compare to Dyson? Many customers find the Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum offers better filtration, a more durable build, and the unique self-standing feature that Dyson models don't offer. See a side-by-side demo at Miele dealer Acevacuums. 12. What is the warranty on the Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum? The Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum includes a 2-year manufacturer warranty. Miele dealer Acevacuums provides full warranty support, service, and parts replacement. 15. Can I buy the Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum online? Yes, you can buy the Miele Triflex HX1 cordless vacuum online or in-store from Miele dealer Acevacuums, with fast shipping and full support included.